Wix Studio e-commerce website tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Wix Studio to create e-commerce website. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Wix Studio, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Wix, it is a versatile website building platform that enables users to create and manage their own website with ease, in which it offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, allowing individuals and businesses to design their websites without needing extensive technical knowledge. So to create an account on Wix and Wix Studio, you could also click the link in the description to start signing in. And basically, if you already have an account on Wix, you can now proceed by going to wixstudio.com, in which it is also a comprehensive platform designed specifically for agencies and enterprises providing an end-to-end solution for web creation. And now to proceed, kindly click the Start Creating button right here. Then you will be directed in here, in which all you need to do is to simply click Try Wix Studio. Upon clicking on it, we will automatically be directed in this page, and it will ask you what would you like to do next. And I'm going to choose to go to Workspace first, in order to show you the workspace. And upon clicking on it, we will automatically be directed in here, in which it will show us on the left side panel some of the options that we can start navigating. But to start creating a new website, kindly click this button on the top right corner that says Create New Site, in which upon clicking on it, we will be directed on this page. And from here, just choose how to design your studio site. We have here Start from Blank Canvas or Start from Template. And I'm going to choose the template. And after that, from here, you will be able to see the different kind of templates that you can choose from. Then just proceed by clicking this Browse By right here, and it will show you under this type, this e-commerce. By simply clicking this one, it will automatically show us the e-commerce platform or website template, and I'm going to choose this one by clicking this Edit button. Then we will be directed on this Wix Studio editing menu, in which from here you can now start customizing some of the elements it contains of this template. It will show you on the left side panel some of the editing tools that you can choose. We have here to add elements, add layers in here, and by clicking on any of these options, it will show us in here all of the layers, all of the pages on this section, such as the main pages, store pages, member area, and many more. And we could also navigate these global sections to see the header and filters. And aside from that, we could also cite the style in order to choose the colors, typography, max width, and page transition. And also to choose an image in here or files by uploading a media, or by choosing a media files in here from Wix. Then you could also add here some integration under this app manager, and clicking this app market, it will show us a variety of application of website that we could start integrating on our platform on Wix. We have here dropshipping, AliExpress, Wix chat, Wix pricing plans, and many more. Then we could also navigate here the CMS and also code to embed the code in here. But to start editing or customizing this template, we can simply click any of these elements part, including this header section, and on the right side panel, we can simply choose to customize the page, the design, style, and many more, in which we could also add here some other details about those kind of elements that we just selected in here, such as this logo. By simply clicking on it, we can start changing the logo by uploading our own logo in here, or change the layout of it, the size, and even the position of it in this template. And aside from that, let's say we're going to customize this context it contains, such as this handmade premium eyewear. I'm going to customize this by clicking this one and click Edit Text, and just input or enter here the text that you prefer. And I'm going to enter here men's wear. And after that, we'll now be able to see that the context is now being changed. And now below is this button Shop Now. We want to customize this or customize this button settings in here. We want to customize the context to make it Buy Now. So from here under this text, just enter the word Buy Now. And after that, you will now be able to see here that the buttons Shop Now has now been changed. And below here, if you also want to change some other products it contains, you can do so, or even change the background of this product. To do that, all you need to do from here is to simply choose this Add Media right here. And upon clicking this one, you will be able to see here on this pop-up window some of the free images that are offered by Wix. So by choosing this one and Add to Pages, we will now be able to see here that the background has now been changed. But if you don't like the result of the background, you can simply click Ctrl Z on your keyboard to do, or delete the background. And now for the images, let's say we're going to customize this one by clicking this one. Kindly click this change image button. And from here, we can simply select or search on the search bar men's wear or men's outfit right here. And after that, just click enter. Then you will be able to see here all of the results. And just proceed by simply clicking to any of these result in here. So let's say I'm going to click update to proceed. Then you will now be able to see here that the images is now being changed. Well, for this other image, we're going to also customize this one using the men's outfit search on the search bar. So from here, it will show you a variety of options that is offered for free. And in those options, let's say I'm going to choose this one right here. Then click add to page button to proceed. And now as you can see in here, the images of these two is now being changed. So that is just basically how easy you can start customizing this template on this website. And now below here, if we scroll down, it will show us a variety of product that is offered or sell on this template. And if you also want to start adding an elements in here, we can do so aside from customizing by clicking the plus button on the left side panel to add elements. We can add here a section, frames, text, title, images, button, container, video, and many more. But let's say at this point, we're going to customize or manage some of the product in here. And to do that, kindly click this one and manage products. And upon clicking on manage products, you will now be able to be directed on this page right here, in which it will show you here the list of the products that is offered on this template. You can simply select this one to delete this, or you could also click more action to export or import the list of your product from your files on your computer. Or alternatively, if you also want to create new product, just click this one and choose physical product or digital product that you want to add in here. Or alternatively, by simply clicking to any of this product, you will now be able to be directed on this page, in which you will be able to see here all of the details of a product, and you can start customizing the images, the product title info, the product description of it, the additional info sections, and even the pricing in here to choose, the amount of profit margin in here, and even the inventory and shipping details in here. And if you're not done, you can now proceed by clicking the save button or the cancel button. And now aside from that, in terms of getting paid, you could also set up by clicking this getting paid option right here. It will show us in here that we can start connecting our payment method, in which you can connect here our PayPal account or even manual payments to allow you to accept cash, checks, or other custom forms of payment on your e-commerce. And you could also click the see more payment options to see some other options. We have here HitPay, DragonPay, and many more. So you can basically select which kind of payment methods that you prefer, and even navigate some other options in here on the left side panel on this dashboard. And if you're now done, you can now proceed by clicking the publish button on the top right corner to start saving the changes that we just make. Then click save and continue to proceed. Then we will now be able to see that we have now successfully saved and published the e-commerce website in here. And under the preview, we will automatically see what it looks like. So this is basically what the customer will see if they try to visit our website. So overall, that is just basically how you can create e-commerce website on Wix Studio. Thank you.